Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you're signed into Chrome and running a recent version. This avoids permission or compatibility hiccups. Once signed in, open the Chrome Web Store and type Tubebuddy in the search box. You want the official extension listed by Tubebuddy. That's why checking the publisher matters. Click the extension entry to open its detail page and review the brief description and screenshots so you know what you're adding before you hit install. Click Add to Chrome and respond to the permission prompt. Tubebuddy needs access to interact with your YouTube pages, so this is expected. Once added, an extension icon appears near the toolbar. Click it and choose Sign In. Use the same Google account tied to your YouTube channel. Tubebuddy will redirect you to authorized channel access. Make sure you select the correct channel if you manage multiple channels, because permissions apply per channel, and enable the extension features. After authorization, pin the Tubebuddy icon so it's always visible. Click the puzzle icon and pin Tubebuddy to the toolbar for one-click access. Open YouTube and navigate to any video or your Creator Studio to confirm the Tubebuddy overlay and menu are present. If you don't see it, make sure the extension is enabled in Chrome, //extensions, restart Chrome, and clear cache if needed. If problems persist, try removing and reinstalling the extension, and repeat the sign-in and authorization steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.